Okay, as a quick addendum, I just transferred this to a new sheet of paper because I didn't have enough room to finish, so I wanted to explain. So we had the u's, and we summed the y's and the u squareds. Now I did u times y, which is column 1 times 2, to finish the u times y column, which is 6, 13, and 8. Now it says that a is the sum from I equals 1 to n of the x's times the y's. But in this case, we converted our x's to u so that we could balance x around 0. So that means it's the u's times the y's divided by just the sum of all the u's. In this case, that would be the u squared. That's 8 over 13. It says b is 1 over n times the sum of the y's, which is 6. Which is 1/4 because there are 4 numbers we're adding. So this would be 6/4, which is 3/2. So in conclusion, what does that mean? We get an equation, y equals 8/13 times u plus 3/2. Now, 8/13 plus u times u plus 3/2 is great. But again, we want this in terms of x. So if I use that relationship that I had created at the beginning, u equals x plus 1/2, 8/13 times x plus 1/2 plus 3/2. Then you get y equals 8/13 x plus 8/26 plus 3/2. Common denominator here would be 26, so I multiply this by 13. So you get y equals 8/13 x. This becomes 8 plus 39. This is 47/26. So this is how you do a linear regression by hand. Now, you could have used the other formula, but the one where you balance this around 0 by using a substitution is always going to be so much easier and faster, especially if you have more than 4 numbers, because otherwise you're doing a lot of different multiplications, sums, squareds, and it's just unpleasant. And that's all for 13.9.